Hang on, where do I start? We're on camera, sorry. Christmas is a time for reflection. And gorging oneself silly on turkey. During the past year, our glorious National Health Service spent £16 million a day on treating diet-related conditions. That's £16 million a day of your hard-earned money. So, where are we? At the end of the page. Bollocks. Cut that. So, no, that's at the end of the page where we are. So, as we turn towards a new year, it is natural to ponder, how can one help? What can one do to help? Whatever it says on my script. Don't know really. Don't really know. I'm not a real king. Perhaps you have grand plans to take up polo or join a, what does one call those places? Gymnasia. Well, my advisors advise that simply eating a balanced diet is much more effective. Now, I also understand from my advisors that in order to eat well, you are being forced to run an intolerable gauntlet through a frightful looking barn building called a supermarket. I'm told they even use carrots to jump you through hoops like some show pony. That's atrocious, I exclaimed. How is that possible? And they advised that, well, not everybody lives in a palace and has a top chef to run their kitchen. Well, that just won't do, I protested. Something must be done. So, it is with great pleasure that I offer to you this Christmas a very special gift. Your very own top chef. A top chef isn't about impressing people with extravagant banquets. It's about making the most of simple ingredients and serving scrumptious, healthy meals. Your top chef can open your fridge and concoct a magical meal in minutes. Your top chef can guide you through that horrid barn supermarket and pick out just what you need, or have the butler send it over to you. Your top chef is expert at selecting the best deals without compromising on quality and ensuring nothing goes to waste. Those pennies aren't just a pretty face. And if you have no idea how to cook, well, Top Chef will show you the royal ropes. So, if you want a New Year's resolution you can keep, then eating well is the best place you can start. And your very own Top Chef is here to help. Well, in return, I'm asking for your help, please. Top Chef is a new service, and we'd love you to be part of the development and tell us what you want. We're running a pilot to develop the service, so need your feedback. So instead of playing the horrid supermarket gauntlet game, play the Top Chef game. We're giving away £1,000 of food. So this new year, begin happy and healthy and help Top Chef help you. Find out more at topchef.org. That is chef with an S. topchef.org. I should probably go that way. Left to right? I don't know. Anyway, any questions, or you want to order some meals or play the Top Chef game, go online and give us a right royal